Silver Creek Rentals provides premier roll-off dumpster rentals, ensuring efficient waste management for your projects. Our dumpsters are perfect for construction sites, home renovations, and large cleanouts, offering a convenient and reliable solution for your disposal needs. At Silver Creek Rentals, we pride ourselves on delivering top-quality service and maintaining the highest standards of professionalism. Our experienced team is committed to providing prompt delivery, secure placement, and timely pickup of our roll-off dumpsters. We offer a variety of sizes to accommodate projects of any scale, ensuring your waste management process is seamless and efficient. Customer satisfaction and excellent service are our main goals at Silver Creek Rentals. With competitive pricing and dedication to exceptional service, Silver Creek Rentals makes it easy to manage your waste disposal needs confidently. To book your dumpster today, call us at 270-221-8600 or visit our website at www.silvercreekrentals.com. Trust Silver Creek Rentals for all your roll-off dumpster rentals and experience working with the best in the industry.